So log into your WordPress dashboard, and here you can see I have Elementor free plugin installed. Okay, so next step you have to do is you have to go to pages, then click on all pages and choose a page where you wish to add that testimonials widget. So we will edit the page. Okay, once your page builder is loaded, what you will do is just go to general widgets and then search for testimonial. Okay, and then drop the widget on page. Okay, now here you see you have basic image that is being used here as some sort of gravatar, so you can change that. Let's say if I use anything from media library, let's use this soap image and it appears here. Now you can change the name and also the title. Okay, so let's see, we can change this from John to Jendo. Okay, and also add link if you want to. So let's say http and youtube.com/health folder. Okay, then image position aside or top. I think aside looks better. You can also align your content left or right or center. Okay, so let's go with center. And then next would be to use content for our testimonials. So currently this lorem ipsum placeholder text is there. Okay, you can also change the style, like let's say if I wish to change the text color to dark black, I can do that, or I can keep it gray. Then also change typography, where you can change font family. Simply choose Arial. You can also change properties for this name as well, like text color change to green or dark blue or even black. Okay, let's go with the default one. Then comes title. Okay, you can change its text and typography as well. Then comes image, can adjust the size. Okay, so keep it short, something around, let's see, 70. That looks good. Okay, then you can add a border or you can keep it none. I think adding dotted or so would look pretty odd. Same with solid and others. Okay, next is advanced, where you can change motion effects, background, border, positioning, and also disable enable on your layout. Okay, now let's update this and then preview changes. And here you see your testimonials block, or you can say widget, has been added. Okay, you can add genuine content, also have some sort of border, and add multiple on a single page. Okay, so you get the idea how to use testimonial widget in WordPress with Elementor.